Despite being brain dead for almost 90 days, Adriana Smith is being kept alive because she is pregnant. A state abortion prohibition forces the family of an Atlanta woman who has been brain dead for almost 90 days to keep her alive. Her mother is now explaining how their family has endured torture as a result. Adriana Smith, a 30-year-old mother and qualified nurse, began to have severe headaches in early February. Her symptoms were enough to know something was wrong. So, she went to a nearby hospital when she was around 9 weeks pregnant. They did not perform any tests, but they did give her some medication. No CT scan, April Newcook, Smith's mother, told 11 Alive. They would have discovered it if they had taken that action or detained her overnight. It was avoidable. According to Newcook, Smith's partner discovered her gasping for air while she slept and making gurgling sounds the next morning, which they think were caused by blood. Smith was taken to the hospital in a hurry. Later, a CT scan showed that she had several blood clots in her brain. Surgery was what the doctors intended to do, but it was too late. Smith was deemed brain dead for almost 90 days. She has been breathing through machines, according to Newcook. For me, it's torment. My daughter isn't there, yet I can see her breathing. I also take her son to visit her. Seeing her grandchild think his mother is just sleeping has been difficult, according to Newcook. Beyond Roe v. Wade was overturned in 2022, Georgia passed legislation prohibiting abortions beyond 6 weeks of pregnancy. The law states that if the unborn child has a detectable human heartbeat, no abortion shall be performed except a. in the event of a medical emergency or medically futile pregnancy. According to the state, a medical emergency is a situation in which an abortion is required to prevent the pregnant woman's death or the substantial and irreversible physical impairment of a major bodily function of the pregnant woman. Smith's case is seen as a legal murky area, though, and doctors reportedly informed her family that they must legally keep her on life support until the fetus reaches viability because she is brain dead and no longer deemed to be at risk. According to Newkirk, they were informed that the doctors are not permitted by law to take alternative choices into account. She stated, "I believe that every woman should be able to make her own decisions. If not, then either their parents or their partner." Although they are unsure if they would have decided to terminate her daughter's pregnancy, Newkirk underlined that the experience is made more agonizing by not having the option. "She is carrying my grandson. But once he is born, he could not be able to walk, be blind, or live," she told the site. "This choice should have been left up to us. Now that we will be raising him, we are left to ponder what kind of life he will lead." Smith is currently 21 weeks pregnant, and according to Newcook, physicians intend to keep her alive until 32 weeks, at which point the unborn child will be able to survive outside the womb. She stated they want to get the baby to at least 32 weeks. However, the cost, trauma, and questions increase with each passing day.